Hi everybody, today I will show you how to pin a message on WhatsApp. So let's begin. First, open WhatsApp chat where you want to pin a message. Now, simply find the message you want to pin. Then long press on it until it gets selected. You will see a toolbar appear at the top. Simply click on the three-dotted icon at the top right and choose Pin. Now, WhatsApp will then ask you how long you want to keep it pinned. You can choose 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. Tap whichever one works best for you. Now, click Pin. Once it's pinned, the message will appear at the top of the chat with a pin icon next to it. So it's always easy to find no matter how far back it was in the conversation. Now you can pin up to 3 messages in a single chat. So if you need to pin another one, repeat the same process. Just select the message, click on the pin icon at the top right and choose how long you want your pin to last. Click on pin and your pin messages will be shown just right here. And if you ever want to unpin a message, long press on the pinned message at the top of the chat and select unpin. And those messages will be unpinned. So that's how you pin a message in a WhatsApp group. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.